Julius Rappoport is the author of Faberge's marvelous creations, a zealot of classical aesthetics, a master of daring experiments, a pilgrim of paradoxes, a patron of the arts, and the founder of the first jewelry artel in Russia. His legendary brand certainly marked the measure of unsurpassed taste, ingenuity, and purity of workmanship. The exemplary silver plastics, which surpassed their German teachers, became a marker of the quality of Rappoport and Faberge. It remains the standard and coveted to this day. The deft silver animalistics are infallible. From large wine devices in the form of birds to intricate name trinkets, cane handles, table lighters in the form of lizards, elephants, bears and monkeys. What they all have in common is the utmost realism, non-triviality of form and originality of function. When we say Faberge, we mean Rappoport. When we say Rappoport, we mean Faberge. Such is the inimitable silver figurine from the Antiquan collection, a Faberge table hare, with garnet eyes buttons. Demonstrates a hind-footed animal with outstretched ears. The lively and amusing figurine is beautifully modeled and combines brilliant casting and chasing quality. It stirs the imagination with the timeliness of function offered by Faberge to the beginning of the Electric Age. Resembling Faberge's hare can be found in Thomas Pratt collection in the Virginia Vuseum, Richmond, USA. Catalog number 21. Expertise of the State Historical Museum is attached.